Welcome to my kitchen, where today we're taking a delicious journey to the heart of the Middle East. Get ready for a feast of colors, aromas, and flavors that will transport you straight to a bustling bazaar, right from the comfort of your own home. Hey guys, Rachel Ray here, and I'm so excited to share one of my absolute favorite cuisines with you. Today, we're diving into the bold, fresh flavors of Middle Eastern food. Think big, aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and sumac, plus loads of fresh herbs that make every bite pop. These are meals that bring everyone together around the table, sharing stories and laughter. We're making crunchy falafel wraps with homemade pita bread. Simple, real food that's a total crowd pleaser. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this recipe is all about comfort and joy. Even if you've never made falafel before, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step from mixing the chickpeas to shaping those perfect little patties. You'll be amazed at how easy and fun it is. We'll turn humble chickpeas into golden, crispy bites and watch our pita puff up like magic in the oven. There's something so satisfying about making bread from scratch, and I promise, it's easier than you think. This meal is all about freshness. Think vibrant parsley, fragrant cilantro, zesty lemon, and a blend of warm spices that fill your kitchen with the most incredible aroma. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this flavor-packed adventure together. Trust me, it's gonna be evu-licious. And by the end, you'll have a new go-to meal that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Let's get our ingredients ready. This is where the magic begins, gathering everything you need for a truly authentic falafel and pita experience. Taking a few extra minutes to prep your ingredients now will make the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. For falafel, you'll need dried chickpeas. Remember, not canned. Plus onion, garlic, fresh parsley, and cilantro. Add in ground cumin, coriander, a pinch of cayenne for heat, salt, pepper, and oil for frying. These simple ingredients come together to create that classic herby and aromatic falafel flavor we all love. For the pita bread, you'll need flour, dry yeast, a little sugar, salt, warm water, and a splash of olive oil. Making your own pita is easier than you think, and the result is soft, pillowy bread that's perfect for wrapping up all those delicious fillings. For the fillings, gather shredded lettuce, sliced tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and thinly sliced red onion. If you want to go truly authentic, add some pickled turnips for a tangy crunch. These fresh veggies add color, texture, and a burst of freshness to every bite. Don't forget the sauce. Whip up a quick tahini sauce by mixing tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and water until smooth and creamy. Or, if you prefer, use your favorite hummus for a rich, nutty flavor. Sauces are what tie everything together and make each wrap irresistible. Fresh, crisp veggies and a creamy sauce are what make these wraps sing. The contrast of textures and flavors is what sets a great falafel wrap apart from the rest. No fancy ingredients, just real vibrant food. Everything here is wholesome and easy to find, making this meal both accessible and delicious. Get creative with your fillings and sauces. Try adding roasted eggplant, spicy pickles, or even a drizzle of hot sauce for a personal twist. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to experiment. The best wraps are colorful and packed with flavor. When you see all those vibrant veggies and creamy sauces tucked inside warm pita, you know you're in for a treat. Now that everything's prepped, let's move on to making those falafel balls. This is where your kitchen starts to smell amazing and the real fun begins. It's finally time for falafel. Get ready to make one of the most beloved street foods in the world, right in your own kitchen. These crunchy golden bites are packed with flavor and texture, and making them from scratch is easier than you might think. Start by soaking dried chickpeas overnight. This step is absolutely essential for the perfect falafel texture. Canned chickpeas just won't give you that signature crunch, so plan ahead and let them soak up plenty of water. The next day, drain the chickpeas thoroughly. Toss them into a food processor along with onion, garlic, fresh parsley, cilantro, cumin, coriander, a pinch of cayenne, and salt. These herbs and spices are what give falafel its vibrant color and bold aromatic flavor. Pulse everything together until the mixture is finely chopped but not completely smooth. You want a coarse, grainy texture. Think of it as a rough green crumb. This helps the falafel hold together and gives it that classic bite. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, cover it, and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting time allows the flavors to meld and the mixture to firm up, making it much easier to shape. Once chilled, scoop out portions and roll them into balls or small patties, depending on your preference. Try to keep them uniform in size so they cook evenly. Arrange them on a tray, ready for frying. Heat oil in a deep, heavy pan until it's shimmering hot. Fry the falafel in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side for about 3-4 minutes, turning until they're deeply golden and irresistibly crispy. Drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. And there you have it, crunchy, herby falafel, fresh from your kitchen. The aroma is absolutely mouthwatering and the taste is even better. Serve them hot with your favorite dips and fresh herbs. Next up, let's make some fluffy pita to go with your falafel feast. You're almost there! Let's make pita bread. Mix yeast, sugar, and warm water. Let it get foamy. Add flour, salt, and olive oil. Knead until smooth and elastic. Let the dough rise until doubled, about an hour. Punch down, divide into 8 balls, and roll each into a thin circle. Rest the discs for 10 minutes. Cook each pita in a hot, dry skillet. 30 seconds, flip, 1-2 minutes, flip again. Watch them puff up. Keep cooked pitas wrapped in a towel to stay warm and soft. Homemade pita is a game changer. Now let's assemble our wraps. Time to build your falafel wrap. Open a warm pita and spread a layer of tahini sauce or hummus inside. Add 3-4 crispy falafel balls. Crush them slightly if you like. Pile in lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onion for crunch and freshness. Drizzle with extra sauce for that final touch. Every bite should have falafel, sauce, and veggies. A perfect balance. This is more than a meal, it's an experience you made from scratch. Take a big bite and enjoy. Fresh, healthy, and totally